If you would love to study in Canada on a fully funded scholarship, but you don't know how to go about applying for this scholarship, or you've applied for so many scholarships to study in Canada, but still yet none of them is working, well, you don't need to worry because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to find the right scholarship for you to study in Canada. Whether you're looking for a fully funded scholarship or partially funded scholarship for you to study in Canada, well, this is the right video for you. And if you watch to the end of this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some of the legit websites where you can actually find legit scholarship that can enable you to study in any country of your choice, be it Europe, America, anywhere you want to study. This legit website I'm about to share with you guys, and at the end of this video will also help you to study in any country of your choice. Now, before I get started, I would like to first of all welcome you all to my channel, Marking Student Blog, a home of so many opportunities, both academic opportunities and money making opportunities. Please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that once we release another wonderful and informative videos like this one, you'll be notified. So keep watching. So for we to get started, the first thing we need to do is to head on to our browser like I'm doing right now and type this link cic.gc.ca. So once you type it, this is the website that you're going to be seeing right here. So you're going to be told to choose between English language and French language, the one you want the website to be translated in. So as someone who understands English more than French, I'm going to be choosing English. So I'm going to be clicking on English. So right here, this is the main website that I'm talking about. So right on this main website, this is what you're going to be seeing right here. So if you're not seeing anything like this, just know that you're in the wrong website. So after that, the next thing you're going to be doing is to click on the menu. So once we click on the menu, we're going to be scrolling down to find what we want. So what we're going to be looking for is a text written money and finance. So I've seen the money and finance right here. So I'm going to be clicking on it. So this is the drop down you're going to be seeing once you click on money and finance. So on the drop down, you're going to be choosing and clicking on education funding. So once you click on the education funding, this is the page is going to be redirecting you to. And then you can see education funding, scholarship, paying for your education, RESPS, budgeting tips, and everything you need to know about education and funding, including scholarship. This is the page you're going to be getting it. So right now, scrolling down a little bit, you're going to be seeing services and information. And under that services and information lies scholarship, where you can locate scholarship. So I'm going to be clicking on it, the scholarship link right there. So right now we're in the scholarship page right here, and this is the list of scholarship available that you can actually apply for right now in Canada. So this is it right here. So and it doesn't end there. You can see a lot of scholarship right here. International Business Scholarship. You can also see scrolling up a little bit. You can also see Venia Canada Graduate Scholarship, Banting Postdoctoral Scholarship. There is a lot of scholarship right here, both for undergraduate, postgraduate, masters, and postdoctoral students. So and it doesn't end there, like I said. So scrolling back on this page, there is something very important that I want to show you guys right on this page. So, which are two of the most important links right on this page, aside from the scholarship that you are going to be getting right on this page. These are the two most important links right on this page. The first one is the International Scholarship for Canadians, and the second one is International Scholarship for Non-Canadians. So, if you can't get the scholarship that you want right on this page, these are the two most important links you need to reach out for you to get the scholarship that you want right on this particular website. So the first link, which is the International Scholarship for Canadians, are links where you can actually get scholarship that is meant for Canadian citizens. So the second one, which are International Scholarship for Non-Canadians, are the link where you're going to be getting the scholarship for non-Canadian citizens. So if you're a non-Canadian citizen, you use the second link, or if you're a Canadian citizen, you can use the first link, which is the International Scholarship for Canadian citizens. So, but for the sake of my followers and subscribers who are non-Canadians, I'm going to be clicking on the link International Scholarship for Non-Canadians to see what is in stock for us. So right here on this page is where we are going to be getting our scholarship that is meant for non-Canadian citizens. So right here, there's a lot of scholarship right here, both for Africans, Asians, um, Middle East. So these scholarships are meant for everyone. So all you need to do is to choose a scholarship that is meant for people that is coming from where you are coming from. If you are coming from Africa, search for an African scholarship right here and then apply for it. So you can see study in Canada scholarships. So this scholarship in particular is meant for students in selected countries and territories in Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa, including sub-Saharan Africa, to pursue short-term studies or research in Canada. So you can see there's a lot of scholarship right here, both for undergraduate, postgraduate, master's degree holders. So any kind of scholarship that you want, you can get it here. And if you keep scrolling down a little right on this website, you can see some of the featured scholarship right on this platform. So there is a lot of scholarship that you can choose from and apply right on this platform without stressing yourself. So aside from that, there is the last thing I want to show you guys right on this platform, which is how you can actually search for a scholarship that you want if you don't see it in these two pages that I just shared with you initially. So there is a way you can actually search for scholarship right on this platform for you to actually get the right scholarship that you want on this platform. Now, before I continue, if you love what I'm doing so far, please don't forget to like and share this video. And then don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are just a new viewer who's just coming across this channel for the first time. So make sure you subscribe because it's just a simple way you can support the good work we are doing right on this channel. Now, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So let's assume that you haven't seen the scholarship that you are looking for right on this platform. What are you going to do? So what you're going to do is simple. Just scroll up to the main page of the website. So right here you can see where they wrote search for scholarships under most requested. You can see search for scholarship. So you're going to be clicking on the search for scholarship right here. So clicking on the search for scholarship is going to be taking us to a place where we're going to be searching for a scholarship that is related to where we are coming from. So right now, first of all, I'm going to be choosing uh my citizenship. So I'm a non-Canadian. So I'm a non-Canadian. I'm going to be choosing non-Canadian. Then the next thing is to select your profile. So this is the drop down where you're going to be selecting your profile. So you can see the list of profile right there. Student or postdoctoral researcher, faculty researcher, academic institution. So you can choose one of those. Then select your country or territory. So I'm going to be choosing my country. So I'm a Nigerian. So I'm going to be choosing Nigeria as my country. Then after I'm done choosing this, I'm going to be clicking on view scholarship. So you can see right now, this is the scholarship you can actually apply for as of the time of doing this video. So they just showed me the scholarship I can actually apply for immediately as of the time of doing this video, which is the Canadian Queen Elizabeth II Diamond Jubilee Scholarship. This is a Canadian government scholarship. So I can actually click on this scholarship immediately right now and start making my application as soon as possible. But before you make application to any scholarship right on this page, make sure you gather enough information about that particular scholarship that you want to apply for in order not to make mistakes. Because definitely this is the only page where you're going to be getting legit scholarship you can actually apply to study in Canada, and then the scholarship will be awarded to you if your application is worth it. So that's all you need to know about finding a scholarship to study in Canada. So before we go, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys two of the best websites where you can actually search for scholarship aside from this particular page. So this website I'm about to share with you now, these two websites I'm about to share with you now, you can search for any kind of scholarship right on that website, both fully funded scholarship, partially funded scholarship. So any kind of scholarship that you want, both undergraduate, masters, PhD, postgraduate, you can get it right from these two websites that I'm about to share with you guys right in this video. So the first website is FastWeb. So in case you're just hearing about FastWeb for the first time, FastWeb is a very big platform where you can actually source for any kind of scholarship that you want. Be it postgraduate scholarship, undergraduate scholarship, master scholarship, you can source it right on FastWeb. And FastWeb has been around since 1995. So you can see this is how big FastWeb is. So they have a very big database that contains all the scholarship that you want anywhere in the world, regardless of the country that you're coming from. So with FastWeb, you can outsource any scholarship of your choice, any country you want, anywhere in the world. So for you to get started with this platform, all you need to do is to sign up for free. So you don't need to pay anything to join this platform, and they can even send you emails about the newest scholarship alert so that you don't miss out on the scholarships that is meant for you. So that's it. So the second website on our list is the IEFA.org. So this is another big database of scholarship where you can actually outsource for scholarship that is meant for you. All you need to do is to click on the search scholarship tab located in the front page of this website. It will show you a list of scholarship that is available right on this website for you. So choose the one that you want and then start making your applications as soon as possible. So you can see the list of scholarship right here. A lot of them are right here. So all you need to do is to choose the one that you think is meant for you and then start making your applications as soon as possible. So that's all you need to know about this website, and that's all for this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new viewer who's just coming across my channel for the first time. So thanks for watching once again, and see you guys in the next video.